Hi, so what we're going to do today is change around our click ball game so that when you click on a ball, it goes away. And then when all of the balls are gone, you will get a congratulations. So it's going to look something like this. So when you click on it, you can see they're going away. So all of them, the object will be to get rid of all of them, and then when you do the last one, it'll tell you congratulations. Okay, so to do this, you're going to open up your click ball game, and you're going to go to your object, and you're going to go to object ball and to your left pressed. To make this happen, you actually have to write code. Not all video games are drag and drop. So to write code, you go to the fourth one down, 1, 2, 3, 4. You click here where it says code and click and drag it over. And then you will put the code in here. Now, there are a couple things you need to know. If you put an extra space in, if you don't capitalize, if you don't put in a punctuation, it will not work. It does not infer, it does not know what you are thinking. So I took a snip of the script right here that you need to type in. So it's instance underscore destroy, and then the open parentheses, close parentheses, and the semicolon. Skip a line, if, space, open parentheses, space, instance, underscore, number, open parentheses. Now, this part here has to be exactly what you named it here. So if you have it named object 2, you need to write that down. If you have it with all lowercase, then you need to write it down. But whatever is here is what you need to write down. So mine is capital OBJ underscore ball, close my parentheses, and then do the less than sign. Oops, sorry. See, I made a mistake already. I need to make a space, then the less than sign, then a space, 1, and then the closed parentheses. Now the next one here, this one here, is actually the next to the P key. There are the different type of parentheses that you can use. So it's the next to the P key. If you hold the shift key, it is that parentheses. Enter, go down, show, underscore, message, open parentheses, quotation marks. Anything in the quotation marks will be what is displayed. Please don't make it anything inappropriate. And then, so then I closed it with a quote mark, then I have a parentheses, just a regular closed parentheses, and then a semicolon. Hit enter, go to game underscore end, open close parentheses, semicolon, and then enter again, and you're using the same thing that's next to the P. You use the open one, now you're using the closed one. So we're going to close it there. Once you are done, you click on the green button and you hit OK. Then you can go ahead. Oh, nope. Hold on a minute. I got to go back. I forgot to tell you, because right now you only have 1 or 2 balls in there. So we need to have at least 10 balls in there. So I'm going to cancel this for the moment. Oh, well, okay, so I had already put them in. So then you can go through and you can play them. All right. So now for you to put extra balls in, you have to go to your room and double click on it. And you have to go down here, make sure this is selected here, out OBJ wall. It should come OBJ ball. Your ball should come up, and then whatever you click on over here, you should be able to do it. All right, once it is done, you need to show it to me. And then next week, we're probably going to try to make a meteor game. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.